So what's up, guys? Today I am going to the Rappahannock River to do some river fishing. I've had this planned for a few days now to go fishing on this day because it's my late day for work and I'll have to go until 4. And I don't know if you can see through this window, but it's raining pretty bad. So we're gonna see how this goes. I mean, like I said, I've had this planned for a while, so I don't really care about the rain. Hopefully I can still catch some fish. I'm bringing a poncho to wear, so at least I'll stay dry. My good thing is my camera is HD, so it's not gonna get wet, it's not gonna get messed up or anything like that. It'll get wet, but it's not gonna get messed up. And yeah, basically I'm just gonna try to catch as many fish as possible. I'm not fishing for little fish today. I'm actually gonna be fishing for, big fish. I'm gonna be fishing for bass primarily. But I'll be happy with whatever I can catch. I'm gonna be using some flukes. I'm gonna be using some salamanders, some pumpkin chartreuse worms, all that good stuff. So we'll see how it goes, and try to give you guys a good video.
Object of your affection. Give me all your time, touch, money, and attention. Pick me up after school, you can be my baby. Maybe we could go somewhere, get a little crazy. He's rich and I'm wishing he could be my Mr. Yum, delicious to the maximum. Chewing up like bubblegum on this pretty party favor. He says I'm his favorite flavor.
Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, longer, that's my bitch on. You can tell by the swagger and the lips on.
Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, longer, that's my bitch on. You can tell by the swagger and the lips on.
You say that I am flawless, true perfection. So give me all your drugs, props, money, and connections. Pick me up after school, acting kinda shady. You're the coolest kid in town, I'm your little lady. He's sticking on, kissing on, magical musician. I'm driving at the cinema, loving him and licking him. He's my lovely lifesaver, doesn't want my bad behavior.
Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, longer, that's my bitch on. You can tell by the swagger and the lips on.
Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, longer, that's my bitch on. You can tell by the swagger and the lips on.
Swerving, getting all them dimes. Tell her I be swagging to my prime. This ain't all the time, it happen all the time. That's a big contradiction, get your money on your mind. What? Tell her I be on the chase, chasing for that paper, and you see me on that race. What? Tell her I be going first, till they put me in a hearse. One big room full of bad bitches, no, one big room and it's full of mad bitches. Lona, tell them what it is. Tell them that you do it and you do it big. I said one big room full of bad bitches. No, it's one big room and it's full of mad bitches. I said Lona, tell them what it is. Tell them when you do it that you only do it big. Catch me riding like a bitch, got the 645. Catch me riding with my bitch on. Long hair, longer, that's my bitch on.
Huh? The permit for the gate? No, I don't have one. You have to have a permit?
No, I mean, we're about to close the park.
Oh, really? Shit. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah.
Actually, the county like sells like parking permits or whatever.
You have to have a permit?
Well, I mean, yeah, they give you the combo to the gate so you can come whenever.
Oh shit. All right.
Yeah, but like, there's a lot of people that have it. They just, I don't think it's too expensive. Maybe it's like $10 or something.
Oh, okay.
They just give you the combination of
You too. So I'm soaking wet for no reason at all. It's crossing the river. You guys can see that. And this guy over here came up to me and said that I needed a gate code or whatever, and you can pay $10 online to have that because they're gonna close the gate or something like that, and I have to have the code. And he called it a permit or something to fish here, but I know this is like a public place to fish, so whatever. I'm gonna try a different spot. It is raining pretty hard now, a lot harder than originally it was when I left my house. So I might try that pond over near my house, see if I get any luck there, and we'll just go from there. My glasses are really fogged up right now, so stay tuned.